Turning to the Flint water crisis now, another $28 million is headed to the city.
Governor Rick Snyder signing that measure today while in Grand Rapids after it was passed unanimously in both houses of the legislature. 24 Hour News 8's Joe LaFurgey here tonight with what the governor had to say about Flint moving forward. Joe?
Brian, once again, the governor admitting mistakes were made, but he also reiterated the need to learn from those mistakes. And he tried to answer the question, when will Flint's water be safe to drink again?
I said the hope could be.
The governor responding to earlier reports in which he suggested Flint's water could be drinkable in 2 to 3 months.
I would hope, we'd all hope it's sooner rather than later. But it's not based on time, it's based on science, facts, and caution to make sure we're doing the right thing by the people of Flint.
Governor Snyder was here in Grand Rapids addressing the Michigan Press Association. He used the opportunity to sign the latest emergency funding measure for Flint, $28 million to help buy more bottled water, filters, testing kits, and fund additional school nurses and medical treatment, along with helping already financially strapped Flint cover unpaid water bills. It's just part of the overall response to the crisis in Flint, created after a money-saving switch from Detroit's water system to Flint River water caused corrosion in older lead pipes carrying water throughout the city. The lead leached into the system. The switch happened while Flint was under state control, thanks to years of financial problems in the city. Residents have had to rely on bottled water since October. Critics blame Snyder and his administration for being slow to act on the crisis after residents of the city began complaining about the quality of their water after the spring of 2014 switch.
It's time to stand up and recognize that things could have been done differently. What do you learn from that? How do you make sure that never happens again? And how do you be better and stronger moving forward?
The governor providing a rundown, a sort of crisis by the numbers. The governor says so far over 20,000 filters have been placed on water taps in Flint homes. Over 200,000 cases of bottled water have been handed out.
We've identified in terms of test results, even over the last few months, about 45 kids out of a couple thousand tested that have high blood lead levels. But we're assuming a lot of other kids could have it because lead in blood only stays for so long.
Addressing future issues like medical and educational problems for kids who are exposed to the lead-tainted water are among the future challenges the governor talked about.
But the focus needs to be on reestablishing trust and getting so the water coming out of that tap is safe and clean again.
One question, why not sign that bill in Flint? Well, the governor's office tells me it had a lot to do with tradition. The governor putting pen to paper during the Michigan Press Association's annual gathering. The governor usually gives the keynote address at that luncheon.
It's been a rough month for the governor. I'm sure he's looking forward to moving on. To his credit, he continues, though, to address this issue head on when a lot of folks might have gone in hiding.
Yeah. Oh.
And he outlined, he tried again today to outline, yes, there are mistakes were made. We're going to try to figure out where those happened, but you got to move forward. And there's a lot to move forward on here, creating, as he said, with these kids, they don't know what the long-term effects of this lead is going to be on these children. So they have to have some kind of system in place early on to deal with something that may not appear for years down the road.
Right.
So there's a major task ahead.
And
absolutely.
now they have that $28 million to put toward it.
And that's just a start. There will be more money likely from the state. There's also some federal money that may come down at some point as well.
Let's hope so. All right. Thank you, Joe.